everyone! Today, we're going to learn about the word live and how it can have different meanings based on context. First, let's look at I live down the road. Here, live is a verb that means to reside or dwell in a place. Next, we have I saw a live band last night. In this sentence, live is an adjective that describes something happening or performed at the moment. And finally, I live life to the fullest. Here, live is a verb meaning to experience life in a particular way. And life is a noun, referring to the existence of an individual. Remember, live can mean to reside, to perform in the moment, or to experience life fully. It's all about context. If you have other examples in mind, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.